Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of cooking with the JEETee Nonstick Frying Pan Set. A versatile 3-piece set that includes 8, 9.5, and 11-inch skillets, all featuring a granite non-stick coating that's PFOA-free for a healthier cooking experience. These pans are crafted from lightweight, eco-friendly aluminum, making them not only durable but also easy to handle, and they're compatible with all stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction, heating up quickly to save you time in the kitchen. Whether you're whipping up an omelette, sizzling bacon, or searing a steak, these skillets are designed to meet all your cooking needs throughout the day. The thoughtful design includes a diversion port on both sides for easy pouring and a Bakelite handle that stays cool, ensuring safety and comfort even at high temperatures. With JEETee, you can enjoy cooking with less oil or butter, making cleanup a breeze and your meals healthier. Say goodbye to stubborn food residue and hello to a spotless clean with minimal effort. Elevate your culinary experience with JEETee's nonstick frying pans and make every meal a delightful adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.